Okay, I don't know what this lock's called. It's just got Hardened written on it. 40mm, made in China. Okay, no keys as usual. Who needs keys? Okay, all lock. Rake for this one. Yeah, for a no-name sort of lock, it had a little bit of a play with me, wouldn't let me get it straight away. Said I'm no locksmith, just a hobby, no illegal activity, just at home and I've got nothing better to do, or sick or whatever. Okay, so you rake, just raking it out. Make sure you're getting your pins, give it a rock up and down, you might jag it. With your tensioner, on and off, if you get a bit stuck, just release a bit, give it a rock. They're not used to doing these no-name ones, it's Masters. No-name ones are making a fool of me. I'm going to have to have a bit more of a practice on them, I think. Tensioner coming out. I must have jagged it before. Something about changing picks. If you can't get it in within the... Oh, there we go. I was going to say, if you don't get it within, 30 seconds, a minute, pull your pick out, pull your tensioner out, get your barrel and set it back. You might hear a couple of pins go back in, but start again. It's the best way to go.